If I go to the gallery of my Samsung phone and go to albums here, at the bottom I can see there is a shared album. Now suppose you also had shared album which was shared by you by someone else, but suddenly if this shared album disappears, then let us see what to do. Now for this one you have to go to this settings, go to security and privacy, and here you will see an option auto blocker. If this option is enabled, then if I go to gallery and album, now you can see there is no shared album. So what you do, you have to turn this auto blocker option from privacy and security. You have to use pin code or fingerprint, and once this auto blocker is disabled from the security and privacy settings, if I go to gallery, this time you can see there is shared album. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.